Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Sign up at CJ Affiliate and verify your email address to begin registration. Provide accurate personal details and a secure password for your new account. Add your primary website URL and describe your promotional methods clearly for the advertiser review. Choose one primary promotional method such as blog content, email, or social media for tracking purposes. Expect an initial account review from CJ to take 24 to 72 hours before receiving full access and publishing links. Complete tax documentation during onboarding by submitting the correct form. Submit a W-9 if you are a U.S. person or a W-8BEN if you are not. Enter your taxpayer ID exactly as issued to prevent verification problems later. Choose your payment method such as direct deposit or check and set the minimum payout amount to 0. Enter accurate banking details and a payee name to avoid payment delays or failed transfers. Search advertisers on the CJ platform by category and commission structure. Review each program's terms, cookie length, and promotional rules before applying to ensure compliance. Click Apply and provide a concise site description outlining your traffic and promotional methods. Some advertisers require manual approval, while others accept automatically upon application. Wait 24 to 72 hours for advertiser responses and monitor your application status in the CJ dashboard for final confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.